Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me or decorating my spread in my mini horizontal layout. So this is not the cover that goes with my horizontal. This is the, I cannot remember the name. Let me find the planner, because you guys may ask. So it's this one. I got this at Michael's. It was available in the spring release, and it goes from July this year to June of next year. So it is completely neutral and has these really fun dividers. So I love it. This is the current week, so I'm filming this on Tuesday the 13th. And today we are going to decorate the spread for July the 19th through the 25th. And so I do have my stickers chosen. These are 2 sticker sheets out of one of the seasonal sticker books that I think was released in 2019, 2020. I can't remember. Not the latest release, but these are from a teacher book. And these are pretty much the only stickers that I really wanted out of that book. So I went ahead and pulled them out. We're just going to do something super simple today with a couple blue boxes from Indigo and then some potted plants and a quote. So this is going to be a pretty quick spread. Let's see. What I'm going to start with are these 2 stickers here. And I'm going to try to stagger these so that they kind of fill up a lot of the page. This is my on-the-go planner, so there's really not a whole lot that I write in here. But Mondays I do run errands now. I've kind of got my schedule switched around to where I do my grocery pickup on Mondays. So I thought that box was fitting. And then we're just going to take this one and kind of stagger it and try to fill in the rest of the page. And actually I should probably come down lower to try to fill in more of this page. So let's just move these down right off the bat. Wipe this out again. Oh, and I was going to tell you guys too that the cover that I'm using for my mini is actually a Moterm B6 Croco. So this is the taupe Croco, and I forgot that I had this back when I was on my Moterm kick. The only downfall is it's not quite big enough to hold your mini planner if you leave your cover the same size, so you have to do a little bit of adjusting and trim your cover down. And it doesn't fit perfectly, but it works for an on-the-go receipt catcher and appointment scheduler. So it works for me. And I did see those on Amazon, so if you wanted to purchase one, I will try to put it in my Amazon storefront and link it down in the description for you if you're interested in getting one of those to put over your mini Happy Planner. It's pretty affordable considering all the other Happy Planner covers options that we don't really have. Alright, and so I'm just going to put one plant on this side, and then I have this big, humongous, old school do-it-yourself sticker book making notebook thing full of just random stickers that I pulled out of random sticker books. Most of it is headings, words, things like that. And so I found this cute appointment sticker, and on Tuesday I do have a recheck appointment with my eye doctor to recheck these contact lenses. So I thought that would be cute there. And then I think I'm just going to put this little cactus right here on Wednesday and probably call this side done. I know that's super not very interesting, but it is what it is. So now let's move to the right side where I'm going to kind of continue that same pattern. And I think, let's see, I'm going to do this first, this style box first, and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, so here I've got this wide line box and a thin line box on top. So I'm going to do the exact opposite here so that my pages are not identical, because y'all know I don't like for things to be identical. I like them to be similar, not identical. So we're going to stagger and we're going to white out all of these dark lines, because I don't like seeing those behind my white boxes. Okay, and then I think I'm just going to come up here with this little plant. doesn't quite fit exactly like I'd like it to. So let's just trim that out just a tad. I like everything to stay in the box and look pretty uniform. And we're going to cut it right here. So let's get all these pieces. I didn't do a bad job cutting that. These lines are fairly straight, y'all. I should get an award. The straight line award. Alright, so that is cute. Even though it's super simple, it is super cute. Now, because I have the black wording over here, I need black wording over here. So I saw this cute little lawnmower sticker. Please don't ask me where these came from. I think the wording came from the old Supermom sticker book. And then the little lawnmower, I have no idea where this came from, but I thought it was adorable. So in order to make my spread cohesive, I've got appointment and yard work there. And then I'm just going to come down at the bottom with a plate and one more plant. The spread will be finished. Now, we've got all this color box situation going on here. I'm not even going to bother. Not going to let it bother me. I think I might put my quote over here in the notes section. And I just kind of like placed it so that that black line goes through the quote instead of like obscuring my words. And then I think I'm just going to put this down here. Right over top of this week. I'm not even going to bother whiting it out or anything like that. Alright, so that's it. That's like all I got for you for this little horizontal layout. I think it's cute. It'll definitely serve its purpose for next week. So if y'all enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button and head over to Instagram to follow me there too. So this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.